So you might be trying to figure out how you can keep your iPhone battery health at 100% forever. Now, there's a few things to keep in mind here, right? When your battery health is at 100%, that basically means that your battery is going to always be at, full charging capacity, which is amazing. However, the main way, one of the biggest things you can keep your iPhone, if you want it to be at a 100% forever, is essentially not allowing it to die and not allowing it to basically fast charge up to 100% all the time. So if you have your iPhone, if you're letting it constantly die out, or if you're letting it kind of die out and then you're letting it power it on or whatever, that is such a problem that you're going to experience with your particular device, and I would highly recommend avoiding that. If you're letting your iPhone die out all the time, if you're letting it kind of go down that direction, it's a very, very bad system for your phone, and I would not recommend that because that's really going to, kind of drain your battery health on your phone much faster than you'd expect. Another very, very big thing for your iPhone as well is to make sure you're not overheating your iPhone. This is by far the biggest thing you can do to basically, affect your battery health. And this actually comes in a few different ways. One, it can be leaving your iPhone in the outside and just letting it, heat up overnight or whatever outside in your car. Or it can be if you're playing very intensive games. So if you're playing very intensive games and it's heating up all the time, that can also be another very big problem that you might be experiencing within your iPhone as well. So you might want to go ahead and just, make sure that's not the case either. And you just want to go ahead and make sure that if you're doing that and you're feeling that experience, you might just want to go through and just make sure that within your particular phone, you're not, overheating it from that side of playing too many hot games and keeping it in cool environments. But also if you're charging your phone on a wireless charger, that can also heat up your phone like crazy as well. So that's another very big thing that could end up happening there too. So those are a few things. Now, on top of that, another very big thing is to keep on that, optimized charging option within settings. So what I would recommend doing is going inside of your, settings application, clicking on battery, and then clicking on optimized battery charging and essentially just enabling that optimized battery charging option. That right there is another very big thing you can, kind of do as well. And that in and of itself can be another very big thing I'd recommend doing as well. Because if you're going to go through and basically, experience that, you might as well go and have as good of a battery life as you can. And having that optimized battery charging will charge your fast charge your phone up to 80% and then trickle charge up to 100%. That's another very important thing you can do. Finally, if none of those things are working and your battery health is still dying out, you could also change out your battery and, replace it within the store. So you could do that too. That's another very, very big thing you can kind of do as well. But for the most part, that is kind of, the main ways of going through and keeping your iPhone battery health at 100% forever. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out, till then.